Welcome to IBM Think 2023.
AI generated art. AI generated songs. AI, what is that? It sure is a lot of fun. But when foundation models are applied to big business, well, you need to think bigger. Because AI in business needs to be held to a higher standard. Built to be trusted, secured, and adaptable. This isn't simple automation that is only trained to do one thing. This is AI that is built and focused to work across your organization. This isn't committing to a single system. This is hybrid-ready AI that can scale across your systems. This isn't wondering where an answer came from. This is AI that can show its work. When you build AI into the core of your business, you can go so much further. This is more than AI. This is AI for business. Let's create.
Please welcome Senior Vice President and Director of Research, IBM, Dr. Dario Gil.
Hello. Welcome, the last session of Think. And I understand some of you even had a drink. How special. So I hope you've enjoyed the last 2 days with us, and what an incredible year it has been for AI. You can really feel the change that is happening all around us, and there's just no denying that the pace of this technology continues to be accelerating, and that its implications are now so clear for all to see around the globe. I'm just fascinated by AI. And as a technologist, this level of excitement really comes about only maybe once or twice every decade. And I'm just thrilled to see all the possibilities that this technology is going to enable. Because it's really going to impact every industry, from customer care to transforming data centers and logistics, to medicine, to manufacturing, to energy, to the automotive industry, to aerospace, communications, you name it. It's really going to impact every one of our businesses and really touch every aspect of our lives. So it's really exciting. And while sometimes the pace of this technology can feel daunting and scary, the opportunities to harness foundation models and generative AI with proper governance, the opportunities are immense. The emergence of foundation models and generative AI is really a defining moment. And we need to recognize its importance. We need to capture the moment. And my advice is, don't be just an AI user. Be an AI value creator. Just think about it. As an AI user, you are limited to just prompting someone else's AI model. It's not your model. You have no control over the model or the data. Just think carefully about whether that's the world you want to live in. As an AI value creator, on the other hand, you have multiple entry points. You can bring your own data and AI models to Watson X, or choose from a library of tools and technologies. You can train or influence training if you want. You can tune. You can have transparency and control over the governing data and AI models. You can prompt it too. Instead of only one models, you will have a family of models. And through this creative process, you can improve them and you can make them your own models. Foundation models that are trained with your data will become your most valuable asset. And as a value creator, you will own that and all the value that they will create for your business. So don't outsource that. You can simply control your destiny with foundation models. So let me show you how we become and allow you to become a value creator with Watson X. Watson X is our new integrated data and AI platform. It consists of 3 primary parts. First, watsonx.data. It is our massive curated data repository that is ready to be tapped to train and fine-tune models with state-of-the-art data management system. watsonx.ai. This is an enterprise studio to train, validate, tune, and deploy traditional machine learning and foundation models that provide